What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into the most anticipated luxury electric vehicles launching in 2026. This isn't just another year of updates. 2026 marks a turning point for high-end EVs. Legacy brands and new players are reimagining luxury from the ground up, fusing mind-bending performance, next-level tech, and sustainable materials. These cars are more than status symbols. They're redefining what luxury means, focusing on user experience, innovative software, and eco-friendly opulence. In this video, we'll break down the performance, interiors, sustainable materials, and battery breakthroughs that make 2026 the year luxury goes all in on electric. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with performance. In 2026, the world of luxury electric vehicles is all about pushing boundaries, where speed, technology, and refinement come together in ways we've never seen before. The era of the V12 is over. 2026's electric flagships are setting new standards. These aren't just replacements for yesterday's icons, they're rewriting the rules of what's possible on the road. Porsche's 2026 Taycan Turbo S is rumored to push 0 to 60 times even deeper into supercar territory, thanks to refinements in its 800-volt architecture. This means not only more power, but also greater efficiency and faster charging than ever before. This tech isn't just about fast charging, it enables relentless, repeatable launches and sustained high performance without overheating. The result? A car that's as comfortable on the track as it is on the Autobahn, delivering thrills lap after lap. Porsche is doubling down on precision and track-ready dynamics, making the Turbo S the benchmark for electric sedans. Every detail, from the suspension to the software, is tuned for drivers who demand the ultimate in control and excitement. Cadillac's Optiq V brings American muscle to the EV world, leveraging GM's Ultium platform for a dual-motor, all-wheel drive setup. It's a bold move that signals Cadillac's intent to lead, not follow, in the electric era. Expect aggressive power delivery and dynamic handling. This luxury crossover is likely to hit 60 in under 3.5 seconds. The Optiq V is engineered for those who crave both comfort and adrenaline, blending brute force with sophistication. It's Cadillac's bold statement. American performance is electric, and it's unapologetically luxurious. Inside, you'll find cutting-edge tech and materials that rival the best in the world, all while delivering a uniquely American sense of style.